woolly outspout, the size of a house brick. And he's ripped up that tree to get the roots. Although there's a lot of... No, it's fine. It's totally... Elephants are very good because they always let us know if they're unhappy. And there's nothing in his behavior that's showing that he's concerned about our presence at the moment. And here there's another one up ahead here. Like the root.
It seems to me that they are breaking down more trees than they need.
It's like he went and he ripped that one up. And then he has a mouthful and then he carries on. It's part of what they do. You know, if he can rip up all of these trees here, he will make the bush more open. And that's part of his job. But also bear in mind, when he's eating the seeds. And especially something like these thorn trees, these acacia trees, they have quite a hard casing around it. And in the elephant's stomach, in the acid environment, it actually starts weakening this case, and the seeds can germinate easier. Something like a 78% chance of germinating after they've been through an elephant's stomach versus about a 15% chance without going through an elephant's stomach. So they do help repopulate the trees that they're destroying.
Ja, precis.